Today we have been celebrating Unity Day. As part of Haileybury community, unity is so important for our diversity. With over 52 nationalities within the school, we are a truly international community, and we make sure we understand and try to culturally appreciate everyone's different nationality. It was great to see so many pupils here, both from young all the way to old, dressed up, identifying their different cultures, countries. So a real achievement for the pupils. It was an absolute pleasure to watch.
As you can see, today I'm not wearing my traditional work clothes. And the reason behind that is that today we celebrated our annual Unity Day. However, today was even more so special because this was the first time we celebrated International Unity Day. Now, Haileybury is very proud of representing various nationalities and communities, and we are superbly proud of being able to represent so many religions, ethnicities and cultural backgrounds. We are one community and we will continue to grow. These events are very important for us, and we continue to raise awareness and to ensure that our students continue to respect each other and to respect their own traditions and cultures. Thank you.
It was an absolute joy to see everybody in their own traditional costumes. In Haileybury, I made many international friends.
Unity Day is very important for me because every day I get to meet new people, so I get to discover new facts about their culture. It's really interesting, and I hope to discover more facts about different cultures.
And I'm really happy to have friends from all over the world. It's really good for Astana and Kazakhstan to be united with all the countries from all over the world.